All right. Just connecting right now. Looking at these levels. Let's see here. This would be 50. Let me just add this to a chart. All right. I'm just getting this selected.
Is YouTube down?
Add it. All right. Got Matic up here. This one locked. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Just testing this. All right. Got this one working. Let me check the output. All right. Loud and clear, loud and clear. We're live. A little bit late, but we're here. Share that in announcements real quick. Yo, what's up, Nazir? What's happening? What's up, everyone? Talking about the charts and some stuff over here. All right. Let me check the audio. One, audio two. Audio one, audio two. Stuff over here. All right. Let me check the audio. One. Oh. Okay, so this works. The audio works, but it's not going through here. Mic 1, mic 2, mic 1, mic 2. Let me check. Maybe it's the browser. Brave. Mic 1, mic 2, mic 1, mic 2, mic 1, mic 2. Do you guys hear me on YouTube? If you're listening on YouTube, let me know in the chat. I don't know. Let me open it up here real quick. Some of the devices are a little bit weird. Let me double check. You can hear me? Okay. It's just the Brave cannot change audio. Someone on Discord can talk. See if I can listen in.
I'm on Discord now.
I'm gonna look over the charts here. See how this looks over here as well. It's not really perfect, but it's something. It's something. We're gonna be going over the charts. We're gonna talk about the long that we had on Doge earlier. We're gonna look over here at Bitcoin a little bit as well. And we're just gonna be looking over everything together. I'm not gonna share the screen on Discord. You have to watch YouTube, but there are no ads, so we're gonna go from there. Waiting a little bit for some people to join in. Have a little bit of time here. Not too bad, not too bad. We're over here. So GT says for another year? No, I don't think so. Not before the election. Not before the election. I don't think that's possible. Not a chance. You guys like this AI green screen background now? Thank you, GT. Thank you. Got the AI background. Just kidding. All right. So, first thing I want to say is on the charts here, we're still up significantly from our green blocks. When we focus in the charts here and we look at the green blocks, we are up significantly. We did have a double bottom for Doge. From that double bottom, we're up about 3.6%, and it took 9 hours. And the target for that is about 10.669. So there's a big double bottom target for Doge. I want to throw this up here into the charts channel because this is a big target. So 10.669. I'll add it on the chart here. And then we're going to add a note here so you guys know. And this is for Doge. All right, we're going to add that to the charts channel for you guys. Let me throw this in here for Doge. We've had a lot of double bottoms for Doge that have completed. It's a chart pattern that likes to fill itself and go up there. From these double bottoms, generally that can be a good entry point. So it's a good area. If we go to that double bottom, we would clear all these liquidations above 10.5 and be above that 10.6 range. Now, I'm looking at Bitcoin here. We did cross back above 59K. Definitely cross back above 59K. Hello, Lady Bubbles. Hello, everyone that's joining the Discord right now. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a good night so far. Hopefully the stream's playing back pretty well too. I think this one's set on the 1080p setting. Let me double check. Yeah, this is 1080p. Not bad, not bad. All right. Feel free, anyone who has any questions or comments, let me know. On Discord, you may have to unmute your microphone to speak as well, or somewhere on push to talk. All right. Let's look at some of these other liquidations. Yeah, it's a cozy day. Yep, cozy day. You think Tesla is way better than Doge? No way. No way. Tesla's still way too high market cap compared to Doge. Tesla pumps, Doge pumps too on those days. Anonymous. Let's see here. Bitcoin's liquidations still go to 62K on the top side. So we can go to the top of shorts on Bitcoin up here. We would be traveling about 4.7% on the upside, which is very big. And Ethereum top of liquidations is above 2,729. So we're going to take a screenshot for these top of shorts. I did one earlier in the morning stream. We're going to do one now here as well. It's 4463 top of shorts. What's happening? So let's take a screenshot of all these targets together. Boom. And I'll throw this in the Discord. I'll throw this in the chart channel so that it can give people a little bit of inspiration about where we can go and where we are at this moment in time. So these are topside areas that we could go to. How many of you would be better off if we went up to 62,000 or if Doge went up a little bit more? I think many of you guys would be a little bit better off on your trades. Let me share this as well. Irvin said he'd be very happy if Doge went back to 14 cents. 14 is that area a lot of traders are hoping for. A lot of traders are hedging their bets on going back up to 14 cents. And honestly, there's room to go there. There's plenty of room to go up there. And we're just waiting for those areas. When we fill those areas, it will be good for the retail traders. When you look at Bitcoin and Doge from earlier today, I did show why I think Doge is more bullish. So that is something we are looking forward to. My headset's working, so this is good. We're waiting on these topside liquidations, but it's very green tonight. So many green candles that we are looking forward to tonight, and honestly, I'm excited. I'm really excited about this. I'm in a Doge long, so when we go up, it's gonna pump. What's up, everyone? How are you doing tonight? I'm a duck. Let's see over here. Stream's running pretty well. We're at 10.10 cents for Doge and 59.2K for Bitcoin.
And does that 15-minute on Bitcoin consider the up farming?
So guys, on the top side here, if we hit these top sides, I think Doge has more potential because we also have a double bottom target. Bitcoin doesn't really have a double bottom target, but it does have a golden cross here. From the current price to the top side, about 4.6%. Doge has already been climbing a little bit faster. So I think it's almost guaranteed Doge will hit that top side before Bitcoin or around that same time as Bitcoin. And then Matic over here around 40 cents is trying to push. It's trying to push. What's up, Jay Blue? And then we're going to look at some of the technical indicators as well. We're going to go over relative strength index. We're going to go over the MACD. We're going to look at bullish or bearish divergence and analyze some of these chart patterns. But no, Doge is the furthest one under its all-time high compared to Bitcoin. And that's where we're going to go from here. We're going to move in here and we're going to conquer these charts. We are going to look very deeply tonight. So I'm looking in here. I'm going to go to the RSI for Doge. RSI was getting overbought in the short time frame, but when I put this on the daily time frame, this is Doge. And when you look at Doge on the daily time frame, it's oversold enough to come up. And let me so when we look at this chart for Doge on this daily RSI, we see that we're oversold and we bounced recovered. This means that we could go up based off the daily. And when you look at the weekly is similar. So this is not really the worst entry. There's possible chances of it liquidating down and grabbing all those levels below us. And that is the big risk. But the top side, this top side is so much better for Doge than the bottom side. So that's why I would be long on Doge. Now let's check out the MACD on the weekly. This is what you want, the MACD on the weekly. The price is for the MACD is under this signal line. And if you look at this signal line, measure it down to the MACD, it's about negative 180%. You want to buy in bearish momentum. So yeah, Doge is over here, is getting oversold, bouncing up on a weekly, while the MACD is at possibly the peak of the bearish momentum, unless it bleeds down one more time on liquidations and gives us that 8-cent support line that we had on Doge. But if it doesn't do that, we're probably going to go on the upside. Let's look at some of these liquidation levels real quick as well. All right, so when I look at Bitcoin, though, the weekly does not look as good. Let's put everything back on the 5, zoom in. And this is just the 5-minute time frame. Only the 5-minute time frame, and we just have so much room to go up. What's up, Jay Blue? You guys want some TA on Solana? I can do a little bit of TA on Solana. So if you want some TA on Solana, I can totally do that real quick for you guys. I haven't done Solana chart in a while, but I'm happy to do one for you guys. So let's go over here. We're gonna go to Trading View. We're gonna go to Charts, Super Charts. This is gonna be Solana. Well, this was my Bitcoin chart from earlier. We're gonna go to Solana, and we're gonna look at the potential weekly charts for Solana. So let me add that. This is Sol. So let's look where we are here for Solana. We already had a big drop down on Solana, right? After the red block, we started bleeding from the all-time high to the bottom so far. We've already dropped over 48%. And the thing about Solana, we still have bearish divergence. And when I add the MACD, this is what we're going to see. Let me change my MACD settings. MACD line is going to be yellow, signal line is going to be white. And when you look at the MACD, Solana, we really started coming down on April Fool's Day. April Fool's when Solana started coming down. So we've been coming down for a long time since that April Fool's area. When you go in here a little bit longer, and we see that MACD is not ready yet, the RSI isn't as good as the RSI for Doge because it got overbought recently and came down fast again on this quick pump in this candle right here. So it is a tough one. I would set this out because Solana, it's gonna break the support. It'll break the 120 and liquidate down. So we will fall under 120 support. And the next big support's at $79. So and then we're gonna add that call out as well. And there's $79 non-dollar support. Let me add this. So this is that Solana weekly chart, and we are not oversold completely. So we're not oversold completely, and we also have bearish divergence. So that bearish divergence, and we still have bearish momentum as well from that bearish divergence. So this would be my Solana chart. So is it ready for a buy yet? I don't think so. And all those scam meme coins, people are tired of them. I'll throw this in the chart channel for some of you guys interested in this chart. Let's go back and watch the other charts together though. Let's put this in chart channel. I don't think Solana is ready yet. There's just so many scams and rug pulls with Solana that people have already pumped it enough and they're probably not doing it as frequently. So people made their money from Solana and they're not really pushing it as much anymore. Yep, I think we have plenty of room to come down though. Alright, the stream it's dropping some frames, not all. Let me check the settings real quick. So, YouTube says it's not receiving enough data. Alright, the stream is... I think it's okay enough, the charts. I think we're about to come up though. Let's see. Yeah, if it's freezing, I may have to do something else. Unfortunately. But make sure there's no downloads. Well, we have a golden cross coming in for Matic over here as well. Let me check on Matic real quick for you guys. I'm going to do another green block. We have a higher price for these green blocks. I even added position to the green block from earlier. This green block is at a higher price. Pretty much higher price than earlier. Let me add this to Discord real quick. These are some good green blocks though. So we have these green blocks coming in. I'm just using Wi-Fi for the stream, so I didn't bring the cable. I might use the Ethernet next time. Maybe if I close on one window, it will be a lot faster. Yes. I think this is enough for the stream to run though. So I saw Lady Bubbles is in the Discord. met her at the Futures conference in Toronto. She's a music producer. I think we're gonna do a live stream one day when I'm on the Ethernet connection. So we are having a good quality stream. This stream tonight probably is not as good quality. I think the Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. I have to change it a little bit, settings. So I'll work on that. We're gonna go over some charts and stuff though. Let's see over here. 10.10 cents for Doge. It's very tempting to add more contracts, but I would save adding contracts till the price went down. Let me see here. Matic's at 40.4 cents. It's funny, Doge is at 10.10 and Matic's at 40.4. Market manipulation? That's funny. It was very close to the same price though. Very close. Wow. That was really neat though. Well, we also have a golden cross for Ethereum up here on this last candle. So they're not all on the same candles for the golden crosses. It looks like Doge came in at 2105. Bitcoin was at 2105. 2125 for ETH, and then now Matic. Matic's coming in a little bit later. So that's what we're looking at right now. Let's do it. Let's add more Doge. Just a little bit more Doge. Just so that I can say that I added more Doge to the long. Do this real quick. Because if we start going parabolic from here, it's not a bad idea. All right, added a little bit more Doge. I think this was a bigger amount of Doge, more than I would traditionally add. Let me screenshot that order and show it in the Discord though for some of you guys. Oh, this was a big one. This was a bigger one. I added with size this time. I added some earlier, so this time I added a little bit higher, 10.115, about 10.115. I'll share that entry in the Discord for some of you guys out there. And then I'm putting that entry in the Discord for you guys. You can see the actually how much more position I did add. 10.115. And let me add that on the chart real quick as well for you guys. 10.115. So you see this entry here, and let me save this on the chart, and we see the entry from earlier too. Well, the entry is not on there. Okay. Entry is not on there, unfortunately. Wow. That's fine. I will add this one though, so you guys can see that entry. Hello, Hiroyo Music. Yeah, Hiroyo Music is in the Discord and YouTube chat. How are you doing tonight, Hiroyo? You can talk on the voice chat if you want to. Anybody can speak on the voice chat. No issues. For this price target, I'm still trying to get 36 cents for the longs. So I'll add that in the YouTube chat as well. So the other day I saw a full retrace happening, so I had to take profits. And you have to be careful if there's a full retrace. And If there's going to be a full retrace, you should always take profits. If you think there's going to be a full retrace, I'll throw that trade up in the YouTube real quick as well, because oh boy. So this was that Doge long I did the other day, and I took profits right when it got rejected from 11 cents. I was watching it, and I had a good entry at 9.3. So I took profits and waited for it to come back down before I entered. So if I was still holding this trade, I would still be in profit, but not as much. And just looking there, that's just a few days ago, about 6 days ago, actually. A lot can happen in 6 days. A lot could happen in 6 days. And let's put this here for a second. That was on the Wheats platform that I used. If you guys want to try it and get a free welcome bonus, I'll put that link in the chat for you guys as well. Quite a bit of you guys have signed up. A lot of you guys has messaged me about your trades and stuff too. Yep, this was a good trade though. I took profits when I saw us coming down. I was just waiting for that trade to go through and everything. What's up, Mr. Envu? How are you today? Just shared a recent entry for one of my trades. Shared a recent entry. It's pretty cool. We're trying to uptrend here from my last entry on Doge. Now, you can look at my current entry and where I took profit last time and compare it to the current price. We're down significantly. 0.007. So, it's pretty decent percentage. We went down over 10%, but now we have that potential to climb back up 10% as well. So, just waiting on that. I'm good. Just chilling. Waiting on this long to go 36 cents. After 36, I don't have to take profit on all of it. I could take profit on some, but I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. We're at 59.3 for Bitcoin, so plenty of room to go on the upside. Just waiting for that price to go up a little bit more. And then it's Gucci Fibonacci. Yeah, don't over add. Don't add too much to your position though, or you'll be close to liquidation prices. Definitely something to consider when you're trading. Definitely something to consider. Well, what's happening to the charts here is predominantly related to the interest rates as well. We may be lowering interest rates in America. I think the Kamala Harris talking about the home buyer credit for $25,000 did make some of the housing stocks pump today, like Berkshire Hathaway. But if she doesn't get elected, those are the type of stocks that would drop the fastest. So I think some people are buying puts on those stocks heading into a November election. So there's plenty of ways to hedge your bets to secure yourself both in the stock and crypto aspect. I wrote a trading view idea, Carlo, and it's by Christmas, before Christmas. I think we can get there before Christmas, honestly, and I'm hedging this trade on that. But if we get lower interest rates, it's going to be easier to access loans for those stocks and crypto that people want to buy. So it's a tough area. A lot of these housing stocks, though, they would also go up if the interest rates drop drastically, but they take time to drop. All right. Since I added a little bit more to the long, it's pushing up here. Waiting for this price to go up. Hope you guys are having a good night. I'm just trading Doge because I take profits from the Doge futures bag. I use that for low buy limits for the spot bag in case price drops down, and that grows the dogecoin spot bag. Now, everyone has their own trading strategy. I encourage you to explore your own strategy so that you can find what works for you. Some of you guys, though, have really garbage strategies that you need to work on. I've seen some of your guys' trades, and some of you guys gamble. Some of you guys have your liquidation price right at your entry, and that is a big no. Even if you think we're going to go bullish all the way, your liquidation price should never be close to your entry. Market makers can push it there. So have to be very careful. Have to be very careful. Ethereum's just breaking out of the green blocks. It's above $2,600 right now at this moment in time. $2,607. So looks like it's trying to push up. Yeah, don't over leverage, no matter how confident you are. If you over leverage, you reset a lot of your trading journey, honestly. Even the small trades, don't get in the habit of over leveraging the small trades because that's gambling instead of trading. And you should not be doing that. I think Bitcoin has room to drop to 40,000 before the end of the year. And even low liquidity, a big market sell could drive us to that area. So be conservative with your trading strategy. Because if you're conservative with the trading strategy, crypto is volatile enough that you can still make some decent trades on a conservative strategy. You don't have to aim for that really big percentage gain. What's up, Miller Time? Yeah, still Doge to the moon. So I'm holding this long till 36 cents or until a retrace. And if you're in the Discord, the benefit is that when I ping it, you guys get notified. So that's the number one benefit. Yeah, Doge. Well, yeah, Doge will always go to the moon. It's just a matter of time. Every time there's a big Elon tweet or catalyst for Elon that's good for Elon, it's end up good for Doge. And I don't know if you guys know this. I'm outside. You can't really see it. We're gonna have a full moon soon, and the full moon cycle, the price should pump. You can look at the full moon cycle on the indicators as well. but we're going to have a full moon on August 19th in 3 days. You guys better be ready. And the full moon in August is named after North America's largest fish, the sturgeon. And this is for green, everything. So in 3 days, we're going to have a full moon. I hope you guys are ready. So I hope you guys have a Doge bag before that full moon event takes place. I hope so, because if you don't, and then we run, it's going to be very wild. So have your bags packed before that full moon, August 19th. Or even the first dips, second dips you can. Because some of you guys are a little bit late already. You're about 2-3% late. Better than 10% late, though. And if you want to join the Discord, chat with us, you can go to onlyscalps.com. Join the Discord that way. We still have the promo. But this is going to be a big full moon. Let me we're going to try something real quick as well. What's up, Envu? You're welcome, Anvu. Usually during full moon nights like this, in this time of year, we pump. We pump around times like this. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Just waiting on this to really pump. What's up, J Blue? Yeah. Sorry the signal is a little bit slow. Sometimes it will cut out on the stream, but I think for the most part we're still here, able to watch and listen. The Wi-Fi is a little bit slow out here. Especially when stuff is downloading. My God. I'll have to fix the Wi-Fi a little bit closer. I have to run a router, so this time I'll run a router for the cable. But yeah, Doge is still uptrending. Yeah, the signal is really choppy out here. Sorry about the signal. It's not really fast, but it's okay. Yeah, see it tries to buffer, which is it's like a problem. Sorry, just checking this real quick. All right. All right. That was a very big frame drop. I don't know, it's moving very slow now. Yeah, there it goes. A little bit better. We're still trying to uptrend here. Still trying to uptrend. What's up, Mr. White Films? The stream's gonna be better tomorrow. Uh, just need to make sure I have the better internet tomorrow. Let me check something. Okay, I'm back. I mean, right now it's like fast enough. Like it's even faster than what I need. So I'm just looking here. Sometimes the stream's moving fast, sometimes slow. Man, this thing is really bad. Let me double check this. Yeah, Bitcoin may be a little bit choppy. Uh, it's possible we're a little bit choppy for Bitcoin. Sorry, stream. I'm waiting for Doge to really break up here. Waiting for that 36 cents. If I can get to 36 cents, it will be a phenomenal place. I'm probably gonna go inside soon because the internet is just so slow. Let me do this real quick. Give me a few minutes. I'll come back.